Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. So today we have an exciting platform here. A lot of different people have been asking about how they can create an app on their Apple or Android phone. And today I'm going to be showing you through this awesome platform here. And one of the exciting features that they have for you is going to be they have a lot of different platform. They have a different way for you to create an app, e-commerce, mobile app. If you're into selling digital or physical product, e-commerce here is definitely something that you can create. App builders. Um, you can also create a chat messaging mobile app. You can create a Shopify mobile app, community mobile app. So this is the part I know a lot of people are interested in and create a membership site, and they don't want to have a website and they want to have a mobile app instead, or they want to do a educational mobile app, fitness app, and even scheduling appointment app here for people, let's just say like doctors, nurses, or lawyers, or people who want to have an app for scheduling. You can do that here. Food ordering, I know this is very popular, and you know about Uber Eats and DoorDash and all that stuff. You can do news mobile app, you can do radio, you can do website, your own website mobile app. So this is the part that I see, other different platform they charge a lot just to create your own mobile app from your, pulling from your website. So on here, I guess it's called web app. And so here you can also do resellers platform here. You can basically become a mobile app reseller, and you create a tons of value for people here. So with 10 apps and Android and Apple apps, so it's going to be a limited amount of storage, ad revenue. Yeah, that's something a lot of people knows that you can create money from your ads here. You can do radio broadcast. You can uh, link in your website notifications and stuff like that. A limited amount of design templates, and definitely this is worth it for people who are interested in reselling your apps here, like creating apps and sell it to your clients for thousands of dollars on this one. If you're starting out, you might want to try it out to see how these come, how to create these apps first, and then start selling your app to other people. So what I like is it has so many different options on this platform. You can create a lot of different mobile apps. A lot of people want to go either into e-commerce or a community educational mobile app. So I see that a lot. Now let's check out the campaign. Become a lifetime mobile app. Okay, so I guess they even giving you option to have, you know, a lifetime mobile app. Mm, isn't that interesting? So there's a lot of different things you can do on here. And let's check out the price on here. This is a subscription base. So with the lowest tiers, monthly, this is monthly, I'm not talking about annual. Monthly here is only $15 for one Android app. But if you go to the next one, then it'll be $45 for the next one with the Apple apps and stuff like that. You can sell your e-commerce, all the stuff here. Check it out here, and you can do multi-language on the high, even here too. On the lowest tier, you can do multi-language. You can do advanced analytics on the apps you created. So I know their price are going up beginning of March 1st. So I just want to let you know that you can lock in the price right now, so that just it's very affordable with just one app here, and you can do a lot of things on here. So if you're interested in doing like creating apps and you want to do the reseller plan, which is like right here, you can do 10 apps for the price of like $100 right here, 10 app, and this is a monthly plan. The annual plan is cheaper. See that? So if you're serious about creating apps, then you can definitely try this out. And then you can go to Fiverr or Upwork, and you can definitely create. Let me see, Fiverr.com here, and you can look out to see how you can charge um, for your programming and apps and stuff like that on here. Okay, there are so many different jobs on here. Definitely, it's worth a try for you to check it out. And they even have ChatGPT applications, programming, yeah, things like that. Application, mobile app, right here, mobile app. So yeah, let me know what you think. You can definitely sell your apps, create something. Take you a couple hours to create an app, and then check it out to see if they have a need out there, and then you can buy a plan that works out for you. Okay, so this is Upwork, and you can do apps, creating, designing apps and stuff like that, or even website. Okay, so it's really a matter of searching and seeking to see is something that fits into your business to try it out, creating app, designing apps, and then what else? And if you're into creating website and then upload it into the app there, so you can do that here. You can create a website. You can create an app from that website. So that's the beauty about this one, is that you can do website mobile app from the website you created. So let's just say you create a brand already and you want to create an app for your members or user or followers so that you can keep in touch with them easier. Let's click on that and see. Build your mobile app in 5 minutes. Can convert all website made from Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, GoDaddy, Webflow, Shopify into integrate them. Wow, is that cool? Use unlimited push notification because some places they charge extra for that. Advanced chat features, monetize your app, Android, Apple apps, things like that. You generate income from the application you prepare with the subscription model. You can create a subscription model, and let's just say that you create a education website or a membership website where your members can help you. You're helping somebody, let's just say checkout community. Yeah, just play around. There's so many different things on here. I was just so amazed at many different ways. It's like 10 plus different ways to monetize, to create a member profile, and you can do what is it? YouTube Pro. With your YouTube Pro, you can add your YouTube channel to your application and increase your number of viewers and subscribe. Oh, see that? This is also for YouTuber as well. You can create an app for your followers, and you can book a demo call just to see if it fits into your business and stuff. And so I think it has a lot of usage. You have radio broadcast, segmented, all stuff here. Look at that. Group targeting notification. Look at that. This one here, you can advertise, you can search within your user or member of the apps and help them to target them. Let's just say they're interested in XY membership or a digital product or printable or an ebook, etc., or certain topics that you want to sell to them. It will be easier if you can target at certain groups without spending monies on ads on Facebook and X, Y, and Z social media. So let me know what you think. You definitely got to check out this here, YouTube Pro Advanced Features, okay? You can do Facebook, Instagram, add your social channel to your app. I think this is just so many different ways to get in touch and get all your user followers from different places into one place so that you can um, get a hold of them or contact them. Push notification here is great because if you don't want to go through the email route, but you get your user to get in touch with your user, this is definitely a way to get started. So let me know what you think, and I would love to hear what you have to say. And I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to put on the comments down, see what you would like me to cover, and you see any other platform out there that can offer a lot like this one, then I would love to know. one thing I want to highlight is that with Google Play Store, it charged $25 one time free, and with the Apple developer account is $99 per year, and that's separate from the mobile roller fees that you're signing up for right now. So yeah, let me know what you think about the platform, and if you don't want to try website, if you don't want to, if you want to do in addition to your website, in addition to your YouTube podcast, you can definitely try it out to see you. I wonder if it's gonna link with your podcast and stuff because it says, I believe you can also do that with all these feeds here when you sign up for it. So all these feeds are you can link them all in here with your audios and radio broadcast, all that stuff in here, which is really awesome. So if you have a website, you have a YouTube channel, you have a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you can integrate all that stuff in here. So they have 1 million users to create a mobile app from the mobile roller. So definitely, I would really think that it's a no code applicator that I highly recommend that you try it out. And they probably rank really high performers, and I think it's really worth it to try it out. They also have a freemium plan just to let you create an app to try it out for free. Okay, so let me know what you think, and I see you in the next video. And don't forget to check out my website to see more updated tools. And if you like to subscribe to the channel, to the email sequence. If you're interested in more up-to-date, updated tools, website, platform, softwares out there, so get on my email list. That'd be great. See you in the next video.